Hey, what's going on? So Boscam sent me their new S1 front and rear view dash cam to try out, so I'll unbox it and install it and show you how it works. And if you like what you see, there will be a link in the description to where you can buy it. Of course, you got your instructions. And there is the forward-facing dash cam. This is the rear-facing camera. Got a long wire to attach it to the front unit. You have the power adapter for the front unit, window mount for the front unit. No suction cup, you just use this adhesive to stick it onto the window. You got some other little mounting accessories for the rear facing camera. I ended up mounting it right under the mirror. Then the rear camera, I was able to set up the mount so that I could just slip it right under the interior trim without having to drill a hole in the trim. And it holds it up there very nicely and almost in a perfect position. And then you'll run this wire behind the trim and all the way up to the front and connect it to the front camera. Once you have both cameras installed, you can see the dual view, the front and the rear view in the corner there. You can also switch it so you can see just the rear view or just the front view or both.
So the camera continuously records by default, and once the memory card is filled up, it will overwrite the old recordings. In the case of an accident or something that triggers the G sensor, any video recorded during that time will be protected and will not be overwritten by the loop recording. There is also a motion detect feature where if the car is parked and you have the feature activated, the camera will turn on and record if it detects motion in front of the camera. This camera can record in parking mode so you can see what goes on when you're away from your vehicle. This requires a permanent power source to the camera, so if your 12-volt sockets in your car turn off when you turn off the key, you can buy a hardwire kit that will allow you to wire it to your car's battery so you can get a continuous 12 volts.
So, let's see the menu. You got video recording, camera, format, SD card settings, browser where you can see your video files and your motion detect. Let's go into the settings. Got all these different settings. Set your loop recording time. You can put sound recording on and off. You can change the rear camera image from mirrored to original. Set your parking mode. Your motion detector record time when it detects motion, how long it should record after detecting said motion. Up to 1 minute it looks like. And your motion detector sensitivity and your collision sensitivity. Your G sensor sensitivity. Volume setting. Backlight time. Flicker. Date stamp. Set your clock. Video mode. language. You know. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the camera or if you want to buy the camera, the link is in the description.